In the Baylor Scott and White red zone. It's a fake handoff and pressure. Outside corner, caught. Touchdown, Blizzard.
There's Keyshawn Taylor. We were just talking about him being the leading touchdown scorer in the eye. That is going to be, I think, an excessive celebration, which I
didn't know that existed in the IFL. But yeah, Taylor hops up on the boards and throws down stats and more and get you ready. Sheehan, deep pass looking for, oh my goodness gracious. Over the top, Keyshawn Taylor. Does he have the football? He does! Keyshawn Taylor sacrificing every bit of his body and getting the touchdown end over the wall.
Unbelievable play there by Keyshawn Taylor, and he is going to get his bearings and get back to the bench. But wow, what a catch by Keyshawn Taylor, extending his lead in touchdown receptions.
He may be full of adrenaline right now, but he may need some ice pretty quickly. Watch, take another look at this one. Blizzard going to make this one interesting in the final two frames. Sheehan toss, caught, end zone, Shaq Currington, and it's a touchdown.
Jack Shack attack once again. Sheehan to Currington. They link.
Third down and 14. Wild snap brought in by Skelton though. Showing off his running skill, moving over to that left side now, spinning across the 25, now the 15, the 10, the 5, Skelton! Oh my goodness!
Ladarius Skelton. Unbelievable play. Had a nice return for a touchdown last week against Sioux Falls. But that one turning a lot of nothing into something. And while they might be down on the scoreboard, that was one of the plays of the night.
I'm calling it now. Play of the week for the IF.